Hello everyone, so this is a Photoshop basic tutorial and today I will be teaching you how to use the layer mask tool. So let's get started. Alright, let's open Photoshop and I'm going to use this image to teach you. So to open a layer mask, all you need to do is click over here. This white box is going to open. If the box is in white color, all you need to do is paint it with a black brush so it erases. And if we want to reveal something, then we need to fill that white box with a black color and paint it with a white paintbrush. And now I'm going to teach you how I use this layer mask in so many different ways. And I want to add some more plants over here. So what I'm going to do is I am going to make a copy of this layer, but first I need to click this layer mask, just delete and make a copy of this layer and reduce the opacity so that I can place it in a perfect position. Yeah, I think this looks good. I'm going to add a layer mask. I want to reveal something, so all we need to do is fill that box with a black color, and then I'm going to paint with white brush. So as you can see, I'm making these plants with the help of a layer mask. This was quite cool, isn't it? This is before and this is after. You can use this layer mask in so many different ways. I'm teaching you the one that I know. If you know more, then please let me know. And then I want to replace this sky. So what I'm going to use over here is I'm going to use a gradient. So I want to replace this image sky with the image in the background. I'm going to place it by reducing the opacity and place it in perfect position. I think this looks good, and then I'm going to add a layer mask to it. So I want to reveal that image. What we need to do is we need to fill that white box with a black color. Then I'm using this white gradient to create this sky. As you can see, we have some mistakes over here, and I'm going to rectify it with the help of a brush. I'm going to use this black brush to erase some part of that sky image. Layer mask can be used in so many different ways. As you can see, I'm using this polygon selection tool, and I'm making a selection over here, and all I need to do is fill that with white color. And this don't look good, but I think you got it. And I'm going to teach you how I crop this image, my image, with the help of a layer mask. And I'm going to use a pen tool and make a selection. All we need to do is press Ctrl Enter and then add a layer mask. So as you can see, my hair has so much sharp edges and it looks like I'm a cutout, which is not perfectly done. So I'm going to add a solid color layer behind that so I can see it properly, and then I'm going to click on this layer mask and then click on this select and mask. I'm going to use this refineness tool and paint it on the edges, as you can see. Yeah. Don't do it too much, it will create a mess, trust me. And then press OK. So as you can see, my hair looks so much good than before. I want to copy this selection to the image that we have used before. So what I'm going to do is make that selection and fill with this color, and all I need to do is control click on that image and then select the image that we want to copy to, and all we need to do is open layer mask. As you can see, we have copied that selection from that image to this image. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you are new to our channel, please subscribe it. And if you want us to do some more tutorials on these tools or anything in Photoshop, then let me know. Alright, bye bye.